Hi everyone, I'm Terry and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are updating and transforming two Kallax Ikea cabinets into glam pieces of furniture. This is part 2 of my home office makeover series. All right guys, let's get started. I'm so proud of myself. I just finished building this unit all by myself. And this is going to take the place of this file cabinet. I'm going to add these really pretty acrylic legs to this unit. I already did it to my other cabinet, so now I'm just going to do it to this one too so they match. Just so you can see, this unit, you have to actually drill a hole so this goes inside and then the leg screws inside of it. So I'm going to go ahead and install these 6 legs onto this unit. I find it best to, I'm going to measure an inch out. And then I'm just going to mark the center of this. I'm going to drill a hole. That takes a second. And then this goes inside. Is one leg. So now I'm going to do the rest. Alright, so I'm going to just measure an inch on the edge and I just have it butt up against that side so it's like I said, I'm sure there's probably a better way of doing this, a more professional construction way of doing this, but this works for me. Okay guys, I was too excited. I just got these. It's from Amazon. These are gonna go on my Ikea cabinet. And they're just absolutely stunning. And I can't wait to put them on my cabinet. They're really weighty. They come 2 in a set, so this is actually 2 sets. This actually just comes with the drawer unit. And as you can see, they look pretty simple. Let's go from the side so you can see. I'll go ahead and put the new ones on so you can see how much these new knobs will update this look. I wanted to show you a comparison. So here's the new knob on the drawer, and this is what the old knob looked like. So in comparison, as you can see, this totally changes the drawer. Okay, there you go guys. Now has the new knobs on. Look how nice they look. They're so beautiful. I love them. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add, these are mirror stickers, and I'm going to add them to this to give it a little, I haven't decided which way it's going to go, but probably like this. So I'm going to put one on each side and give these drawers yet another improvement. So I went ahead and added to one of the drawers the 2 stickers. Now these come in a box of 10, so super easy. So you peel off on the back and stick it on, and then you peel off the film in the front, and then you get this beautiful reflection. And that looks so awesome. So see them without, and then see them with. So here you can see an example of with the decorative mirror stickers on, and then without. And they're really not, they're not thin, relatively thick. I'll say like maybe cardboard weight. They're not, they're definitely not just stickers. So very inexpensively, you can make this dramatic update to your Ikea drawers. Thankfully, this came with 2 extras because if you can see, I don't know if you can see this, but as I was taking the sticker off, it actually snapped. Definitely be careful taking the sticker off. How gorgeous is that? They came out so pretty. I absolutely love them. I have 2 of these Ikea cube units, and on this one I have doors put on. Now what I did with these, I also put different knobs, and I love these acrylic and silver knobs that I have on these. What I do have are these sort of panels that you can put on the doors. So I put these on there, and I'll put a link of where I got them, but because the other ones were mirror, I decided I'm going to add this mirror sticker, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut these into strips and put them over the overlay. I think that'll give it a nice mirror reflection to match the other cabinet that I have. I wanted to show you guys what I'm doing. I got these sheets. They're mirrored sheets. They're a little thick, so I thought I could cut it with this, but I can't. So what I'm doing is I'm scoring them. They're all 1 inch thick, so I'm creating 1 inch thick strips. And then what I'm gonna do is stick them on here and see if I can do this. I've got 2 of them up there right now. So. But you can see that they're all scored So now I'm going to cut these. Well, there is one of them done. Unfortunately, I didn't have one long enough, but let's see what it looks like taking off the protective cover. Okay guys, so what do you think? This is one side with the mirror and one side without the mirror. I am liking the side with the mirror. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope I inspired you and showed you how simple it is to update any piece of furniture. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more of my home office makeover series. And until next time, bye-bye.